Amazon is one of the biggest marketplaces in the world. To survive in this marketplace, it is very important to grab the attention of the potential customers. When a customer views a product on Amazon, they can't see your product details, feature images, or A+ page. Their first impression goes to the product title, ratings, and product main image. Among these, the most powerful part of catch buyer's eye is the product's main image. This is your host Saima Islam from Ecomclips. Today I am going to show you how to make your main image shine to grab the attention of your customer. So let's get started. To choose your main image, you must maintain a few things. First, sharp, high quality photographs will surely help you to grab the customer's attention. Along with this, you have to keep the product image looking simple and authentic. Do not try to edit too much that disturbs the actual look of the product. It does not make your images trustworthy. Secondly, product images submitted to Amazon must meet the following technical specifications. Number 1, the product and all its features must be clearly visible. Number 2, your Amazon picture sizes need to be at least 1000 pixels wide or tall and 1600 pixels on the longest side. You can't make your images bigger than 10,000 pixels on the longest side. Number 3, the product should fill 85% or more of the frame and must have a pure white background. Number 4, you can upload JPG, PNG, GIF and TIFF files. Amazon prefers JPG. Number 5, for color mode, both sRGB and CMYK are accepted. Number 6, for maximum dimension ratio, you can upload 5:1 images, but we always suggest to use 2:1 or 1:1 dimension. Number 7, text, logos, borders, color blocks, watermarks, or other graphics placed over the product or in the background may not be used. Number 8, clothing accessories have to be on a human model. It shouldn't show any part of a mannequin, regardless of whether it's clear, flesh toned, etc. Number 9, if you want to add your brand name with your main image, Amazon will not approve it. In that situation, you can follow this example to add your brand name. Number 10, Amazon allows lifestyle images as the main image for some exceptional categories. Like if your product is a bedding item, you can use a lifestyle image as the main image. It will be more attractive for customers. These are the key points to remember to make your image approved on Amazon. Before creating the main image, you need to think of yourself as a customer. You need to question yourself in which look you would like to see the product photo as a customer. For example, this is a makeup mirror. In this mirror, we have photoshopped a model image. It becomes more attractive to customers rather than using a simple makeup mirror. When customers will see this image, they can surely relate a visual context. Here is another example. This one is a jewelry product image. You can retouch your jewelry image and create a shine to create more attractiveness for your customers. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. If you need any design help, you can contact us via www.ecomclips.com. Links are added in the description box. Thank you.